Hey guys, Rusty here, Dougly HP. So this is the hydraulic filter number 551565. This is just the one that I was given when I got the tractor. So it is on the driver's side. There's the tire. So you enter on the driver's side. On the passenger side you have your hydraulic tank, and on the bottom is your drain. I seem to be leaking from somewhere, so it's probably just the seal on here. But you just hit these with the crescent wrench. That you should be able to get with the oil filter wrench. But yeah, looks like I need to air up that tire. But there's the filter, driver's side and underneath, very easy to get to. Here's your drain. I use let me walk over here to my hydraulic fluid, and this is the same fluid that you could use in the transmission. It is Fram hydraulic tractor, and the type of fluid that you want for this is a J20A. It's a hydromatic hydraulic oil, so you could use it in the transmission, or that's what they call for to use in the transmission, and then also that is what you'll put in your fill tank. Pretty much everything I do on this tractor is with crescent wrenches, because everything's easy accessible. So top fill to the middle, and you're all set. I think the last time I changed the hydraulic fluid on this, it was like 10 gallons to do the fluid change. I could be wrong, but I changed it last year. So check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe. This is just a video that one of the subscribers wanted to see on how to do. Unfortunately, I don't have to do mine right now. Actually, I leak so much that as the leaks happen, I just fix things, and then I just have to add fluid to it. I'm gonna have to do this cylinder here soon. Every time I move it, I'm losing a small cup. So yeah, see you guys.